In this video, we will demonstrate how to prepare the crystals of copper sulphate from the given impure sample of blue vitriol. Blue vitriol is hydrated copper sulphate, that is CuSO4.5H2O. It is obtained in pure form by dissolving in water so that insoluble impurities are filtered out and filtrate is crystallized to obtain pure copper sulphate. For the experiment, we required a crude sample of copper sulphate, distilled water, dilute H2SO4, china dish, funnel, beaker and measuring flask. Take a crude sample of copper sulphate and weigh about 5 to 6 gram of sample on the weighing machine. Transfer it into a beaker and add about 25 to 30 ml of distilled water. Then add 2 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in order to prevent the hydrolysis of copper sulphate. Now stir the content so that it becomes completely soluble. In order to make the copper sulphate completely soluble, we will warm the solution and stir it. Next step is to filter off the insoluble impurities and collect the filtrate in a china dish. So we will take this filter paper, make a cone like this, place in this funnel, and now we will filter out this solution so that all the impurities will settle down in the filter paper and the filtrate is collected in the china dish. Now next step is to heat the solution in china dish gently on a wire gauze up to the crystallization point. So we will heat this solution till its crystallization point and we make sure that flame should be very slow. Generally it takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the complete crystallization. So we will heat the solution for next 5 to 10 minutes. Next step is to place the china dish over a beaker full of cold water. Keep it aside undisturbed. On cooling, deep blue crystals of copper sulphate begin to separate. Now the next step is to decant off the mother liquor and wash the crystals with little of alcohol. So I will separate these crystals by simple filtration process in which we use the funnel and we get all the crystals in the filter paper which is kept in the funnel and the mother liquor is collected in the china dish. So now I will dry these crystals by just pressing in between the fold of filter paper so that all the alcohol can easily absorb on the filter paper and crystal become dry here. You can observe here I am just keeping it on other filter paper, pressing in between the two fold, just pressing it so all the liquid just absorb on the filter paper and the crystals after few hours will become completely dry. And now these are the dry crystals which are obtained in this process. So the shape of the crystal is triclinic and it is of blue in color.